Howdy, Joe DiSanto here. All right, we're mountain biking today. We're in Lake Arrowhead at Skyline at Santa's Village. It's actually a mountain biking park, so there's no chairlift that brings you up. So if you definitely want to have an electric bike here. But anyway, it's pretty sick. We're having a good time. Me and Luca here. And of course, when I do these things, I think I should give financial advice somewhere in the middle of these activities. Why not? So I'm going to talk about, do you want to go real estate? Do you want to go stocks? Do you want to go crypto right now? Especially if you're kind of younger. And real estate's always been good to me. I think it's a steady play, and very much particularly if you are going to live in it. Like if you're going to live in it, you kind of can't go wrong because it serves multiple purposes. It's an investment, but it gives you housing security, all sorts of cool things. But right now, at this particular instance in time, particularly with the AI, nano technology, robotics, and then also that sort of converging with blockchain, it's made a pretty unique scenario that I don't think you want to miss out on if you can avoid missing out on it. So I would say my money, if I'm saving money to buy a house, I like that. Of course, you want to be, safe if you have a lot, but if you're trying to compound some money to buy a house, I might go with the high tech and even some high quality crypto. Maybe not even Bitcoin, maybe go in Ethereum specifically, because I think that's going to perform kind of hard, but remain safe and remain a long-term investment, even if, everything goes to hell unexpectedly. But then think about, if you're going to flip some money, like an Ethereum or an AI or something, still think about buying that house eventually once you build up a solid amount of cash, because the house saves so many people. And I know there's a lot of advice out there, buying a house isn't worth it. In really expensive markets, maybe like LA, New York, you could definitely do the math and make a case for renting, especially if you're going to stay in a rent-controlled apartment. But more often than not, because people move, because people want change, investing in a house is going to be solid, because if you do move, you can rent it, Anyway, those are my quick thoughts right now on where to go with the market as of July 2025. I will talk to you later.